What's up guys, my name is Matt, or on this channel, the IB Dad, and today I'm going to show you how to make a trowel out of just recycled stuff and things that I found in my garage. So I will show you how right now. Dad jokes. Welcome to my backyard wonderland. I want to show you guys today how I made a spade out of reclaimed stuff because I didn't want to spend money. Okay, so what's been going on, because I didn't have one. I had one and it rusted and it broke because they have things you do that. I've been using this like old spoon, and then I got this spoon recently. So I've been using that, but we are going to do it correctly, or not correctly. I'm going to show you how to do it. Here's what you're going to need. Some metal that you can reclaim. I saved this, well, it used to be a chair off of a curb. I took the pads and stuff off and saved the metal a while back, and we're going to be using this metal for that, a drill and some self-tapping screws. You're also going to need a handle. I'm going to use this as a handle, but you could do it just as well with a piece of wood or even a branch, the way we're going to do it. I'm going to be using this Drill Master Jigsaw from Harbor Freight. This costs like 20 bucks or so, and there's a metal blade to cut through metal. Probably the easiest way to cut thin metal like this. Next, you're going to need a way to poke a hole in the metal so that that jigsaw blade can get through. Something to mark the metal will come in handy too. If you want to get fancy, some black duct tape, or in this case Gorilla Tape, will come in handy. I'll show you why in just a minute. Chair, yeah. Daddy's going to make a shovel, okay?
Yeah.
Cool.
Shovel! My shovel!
It'll be yours? Maybe I better make two then.
Yeah.
What I'm going to do is take this punch, dent a hole. You could use a nail or something like that. I recommend that you use a self-tapping screw because it has a drill tip on the end, but it's disposable. When you're drilling through metal, you don't want to waste all your bits. So here we go. Easy day. Use a Christmas tree bit to widen the hole a bit. Shape I've got. You can see the shape of the shovel. The spade is going to go like this, and then hopefully you can see this. Yeah, I've got a little divot out here, and this is for the tabs that are going to go around the handle. Where that hole comes in, you can just insert the blade like so. It's really loud, but I'm going to follow that. You just steer it, but I won't be able to do that while I hold this. So I bent the blade on my saw, and I don't want to change it because I'm lazy. The tin snips work great. Cool thing about using a chair for this project is that my handle will have an end cap. Oh yeah. Now I have my basic spade shape. Next thing, we're going to cut a handle, but since I don't want to change that blade, I'm going to use a metal grinder. Alright, now it's starting to really come together. You can see that when I stick this handle in there, it's going to look pretty legit. Oh, it looks so good. We're going to fold those over and self-tap them in. Dude, it's looking so legit. So I just bent those around. I ended up using a pair of vice grips and a hammer a little bit. Here, it's fairly straightforward. Just gonna take your self-tapping screw and it's looking so good. So all I did was repeat that a few times. I will say this, pay attention to the angle because it's a little crooked now, but that's going to be fine for my purposes. So next we're going to bend it down the center there, just give it a little bit of a banana like this. And that'll help us just have a place to dig, and it'll carry the dirt when we dig it out so it doesn't just like spatula all over the place. I just use spatula as a verb. Hold it. That is so legit. I'm so into this thing. Oh, it's rad. Now, another cool thing about bending it like that is it's going to give it a lot more rigidity. That's why we brought the pole up into this a little bit and did that weird cut, because we want to make sure that the strain isn't just on one spot, so it won't just bend in one spot. It's not going to bend now on the blade very easily, and it's not going to bend right here at the knuckle. So we're looking good. Let's get fancy and make it comfortable, shall we? So we're going to wrap this puppy. I picked Gorilla Tape because it looked the most handle colored to me as far, and I thought I wanted to keep it black because whatever, I'm an artist, so I like doing things like that. So the tighter you pull this, the smoother it will be. So pull it tight and that'll stretch this outer edge so that you can keep it nice, loose. you watching, people? Oh, that's right. Imperial Beach Dad on the YouTubes. We did it! We made this. I'm super stoked. We're gonna test it, but first, we won't be needing the spoon or the spatula anymore. I'll clean those up later. This is moist, obviously. Works great. Okay, good. What I expected. Let's try stir it, but there's a little more clumpiness in that. Oh wow, that works great. This spatula could not do this. Alright, good. I would say with this though, you're gonna be careful not to bend it, so you know, there's a point to which the right tool would, you know, not be this. That's really what I need, is a way to transplant these little plants without my ginormo shovel or the spatula. So here you go, a trowel. That's the word for it. I've been calling it a spade this whole time. When you get fancy with filming, you'll get it crooked. And to the end, you get to see the carnage.
That worked great. You could also punch a hole with a nail and then make it bigger with a screwdriver. You could go the long way if you don't have to.
This chair is done. Not supposed to do that. Screenshot.
Hey, dad tip. You guys might not know this, but tell your kids, if you ever hear that sound, the truck is making that sound to let you know that they're out of ice cream. That way you don't have to buy them any.
Dadding done right. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've got other videos where I turn trash into usable things. You can check those out if you subscribe right here by clicking that dude, that's me, and then click that little bell. It'll notify you every time I put out a new video, so you get that thing on your phone. You're like, oh, the Abby Dad's posting a video. So I hope that you will do that. Also, you'll see up here the Stay Stoked shirts. That's my mantra as I kind of try to fight cancer with this inoperable meets unstoppable attitude. If you didn't catch that, brain tumors, which is why I'm saving money, by the way. Hashtag brain tumors ain't cheap, bro. But anyways, I'm still stoked and I'm gonna beat this. But you can subscribe, you could buy a shirt, you could hang out with me. I'll see you later. Stay stoked!